So we're gonna start off with a curved line like this, and then over here we're gonna make a bump. That's gonna be one of his eyebrows. Then we want to curve this line up, and then, well, curve the other way around. And then we want to curve this way and that way. Then we want to have a line for the other eyebrow over here, like that. And we want to have a line that goes down like this. Then we want to have a line that goes from here, goes down, and then goes up, curves over there, and then it goes slightly up there. We're not going to finish that yet because there's more coming. So now we want to create some teeth over here first. So at the front of the mouth, the teeth will be very far apart, but the farther you go to the curve, the teeth will kind of start overlapping because of the angle that we're looking at it. Like that. And then we're going to draw a line like that. Then we want to start over here. Draw something like that. And then draw the bottom jaw attached to the upper jaw. And then over here, we want to start drawing some teeth as well. But these are all overlapping with each other. And we want to start kind of over here. Have a little bit of room in between this line and the teeth, because we want to create a sort of a illusion, or not an illusion, but we want to create like the look of you still being able to see the gums, if that makes sense. So his bottom jaw looks a little bit small compared to his upper jaw, but that's okay. Now we want to create curved line like this over there. That's where his eyes are going to be. And then we would just want to like make a couple of curved lines over here. It's like his very sharp ridge going all the way to his nose, which is about over here. Or her nose actually, because we're drawing a Jurassic Park T-Rex, which means that a Jurassic Park T-Rex has, is a she. And we want to draw an eye over there, right underneath this ridge. And we want to continue on creating those little scaly, like a scaly look. Then we want to draw a line over there. But we also want to have the tongue being visible. So we're going to draw a line like this. And we're going to draw a line like that. And then this tongue will go all the way down until about over there. Alright. Now we want to create the neck. Well, there's gonna be another bump over here actually. Like that. We want to create the neck, which goes almost straight down like this. And then something like this. There we go. And you could even like get the neck, like make it look a little bit more like that. And this line doesn't matter because what we're gonna do now, well actually don't draw this line. Don't draw this line because it looks better this way. We're gonna create some wrinkles in the neck over here. There we go. And then we're going to create some wrinkles going down at the bottom of the neck, the throat, like that. And we're gonna create a tiny little bit of shadow. You don't have to do this, but I always like to draw a little bit of shadow because it just gives it a little bit more of a realistic look, in my opinion. There we go. Now we want to have the iris, and draw an iris, but leave it a little bit of white, like a little chip of white right over there. And then we're gonna darken in right behind the tongue. I'm gonna darken in this whole area. This video is just very experimental because I've never done a tutorial like this. I always build it up, but I've noticed that a lot of you guys like to watch tutorials like this, where you just instantly get into the drawing. So I decided to try it out. So now the final step basically is drawing a couple of scales at the upper jaw line. So just draw a couple of lines like these, and the more you go back, the more of a curve you will experience in these kind of scales. Especially over here, because here they will just get like closer and closer together, and we can do that on the bottom jaw as well. But the bottom jaw has a different set of scales, and they look more like it's more like lines going down like this. Alright, and we are almost done. We just want to create like a pocket for the eye over here. And we want to have a lot of wrinkles surrounding the eye to make it look more detailed and make it look more accurate to the Jurassic Park T-Rex. And we want to make like a stipple line, not sure what it's called in English, to indicate the cavity at the face. And then we can just create a couple of like cross-hatching lines at some areas where we want to have a little bit of shadow. So over here, for example, we want to create a very realistic look, so we just use a couple of cross-hatching lines. Over here as well, just a couple of little cross-hatching lines. Alright, and there we go. Basically, that is how you draw Rexy. Very quick and easy. We could have a little bit of shadow over here as well, but we need to be careful because we don't want to overdo this, and we want it to look sort of simple. But if we over complex things, then it will start to look messy and not as clean anymore. So we need to try to prevent that from happening. If you want to see more videos like this, click here right now and leave a like, subscribe, and comment below what you think about the video and the drawing in general. I'll see you guys next time.